Why are you learning Korean and why should you learn Korean? People easily come up with these reasons. First, to talk to your Korean friends or your favorite K-pop idol. Second, you can find a Korean lover. I'm gonna date a guy who is looking just like members of BTS or ATEEZ. Yeah, I get that, but if you think more reasonably and realistically, there are way more reasons for you to learn Korean. First, it will give you a lot of new opportunities in your life. Korea is 12th richest country in the world, and especially about the modern art and culture industry, Korea is one of the leaders. You can see that from the success of K-pop, K-drama, Oscar-awarded movie Parasite. However, there are still very few non-Korean people who speak Korean fluently. If you learn Korean, if you speak Korean, it will be one of the biggest weapons in your career. If you like to sing and dance, you can be next Blackpink Lisa or twice Momo Henley of Super Junior GOT7 Jackson. You can be a successful translator, you can be a CEO of K-beauty company, you can be a movie director, you can be an expert in art business, you can also be a journalist in South Korea. You will get way more chances and choices in your life by learning Korean. I also got way more chances by speaking many different languages. I'm sure you will also get that. Second, it will make you stronger. Learning a new language is actually a challenging yourself. But if you succeed, you will get much more confidence in anything because you already did something really hard with your time and effort and energy. This will make you stronger and grow up. Third, it will make your view broader. Learning a new language is learning a new culture. If you learn Korean, you will know more about Korea and Korean people than when you just listen to K-pop songs. This will broaden your sight for sure, and it will also make you more flexible person who can adjust in different environments because you know how to accept differences and you also know how to respect other people who are not you. So yeah, learning Korean is awesome. However, learning Korean is not easy. If somebody tells you that Korean is so easy, it's the easiest language, it's bullshit. They're fucking lying. Learning Korean is hard. It takes your time and effort. But you will get there with me. I promise you. You may feel like to give up in next chapter when you talk about complicated Korean alphabet and you have to memorize that. Yeah, it's hard, but you can do it. Trust yourself. Don't give up. I will help you and I'm always here for you. If you feel tired and feel like to give up while you're studying Korean, come back to this video and watch this again. If you need more motivation for your study, come back to this video and recharge yourself. So yeah, this was the first video for Soo Korean YouTube channel. Did you enjoy it? I hope you did. Thank you so much for watching until here, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. And also, please check the free materials and my book, which is not actually free, in sooandcarrots.com. I put the link here.